This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off automatic downloads on the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To turn on or off automatic downloads, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the website permission section, and in the website permission section, right down here, automatic downloads. By default, it's probably set to ask. I'm going to click on the little drop down. You can set it to allow, ask, or block. That is how to turn on or off automatic downloads on the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.